girls, welcome to maths. Today we're going to be learning about measuring, so you will need a ruler and you might also need a tape measure. We're going to be talking about how to measure in centimetres, so watch my video and have a go at practicing measuring things at home. When you're measuring with a ruler, where do you start? Yes, that's right, you start on the zero. You don't start at the end of the ruler. You need to make sure that you line up the object you are going to measure to the zero. So today, when you are measuring, you're going to need to use a ruler. This is my lovely pink ruler, and you can see if you look very carefully, we have got numbers going all the way along, and we're measuring in centimetres today. My ruler also, on the other side, has inches, but we won't be measuring in inches today. So when you start measuring, you need to make sure that you start with the zero at the edge of the object you are measuring. I don't want you to start measuring from the end of the ruler, that won't be accurate. So you need to make sure the zero is pointing to the end of your object like this. Next we have some sunglasses. How long do you think they will be? Can you guess? Can you make an estimate? Next up we have a bus. This is my bus pass. I keep my cards and things in there. So can you guess how long the bus pass is? How many centimetres? Okay, so next we're going to measure how long we think this bottle of nail polish is. We're going to have a go at measuring how long my book is. So I'm going to put my book on the table. This is quite a long object actually. I wonder if you can guess how long you think it is. Next up we have some toothpaste. Can you guess how long the toothpaste is? Now I'd like us to measure how long Bonnie is. Hello Bonnie. Okay, I'm going to try and measure her. So if I put her on my measuring table and I get my ruler. Oh no, you can see my ruler isn't quite long enough to measure Bonnie, but that's okay. I'm going to use a tape measure. So hopefully you have one of these at home, maybe for measuring how big you are, how tall you are, maybe for measuring things if you're doing DIY in your house. So we're going to make sure we are using the side that is for centimetres, not for inches. We're measuring in centimetres. And we're going to put Bonnie nice and straight on the measuring table. And we are going to start just like normal at the 0. I'm going to put that at the end by her ear, and I'm going to hold the tape measure very straight and very carefully, and we're going to go up to her tippy toes, and you're going to see if you can kind of line up the edge of her tippy toes to the ruler, to the tape measure, sorry. And I can see it looks like she has one leg that's a little bit longer than the other, so I'm going to go for that longer leg. And it looks like it goes up to, looks like she has one leg that's a little bit longer than the other. Poor Bonnie. And you might be able to see here, Bonnie is 53 centimetres long. Gosh, she is so long.